G'day, it's Cole here from Diggerman. Today Max is going to run you through a pre-start on the skid steer. On our 5-star operator's level, this is a 1.2 in the skills.
Alrighty, to start your pre-start we're going to do a visual check around the whole entire machine. So you're checking your track conditions. Unless they're brand new, you're always going to have a few scuffs and brushes on them, but we're more looking for wire sticking out and full cuts throughout the whole thing. You're also checking your rams and all your hoses, making sure there's no leaks coming from them. They're going to be obvious, or the oily residue or full of dust and silt around it. Same with any ram that's running through the bucket. So I'm going to do a full walk around and do a check over the other side to do the same thing. Okay, so everything looks like it's in good order. Now we're going to check underneath this engine bay. So one of the big things is always going to be your coolant. Alright, making sure that that engine, that radiator is full of oil, coolant, sorry. And then engine oil, and making sure that we've got plenty of oil in there as well. We've got our hydraulic level here on the left hand side. We're going to make sure that we've got plenty of hydraulic. And it's always a good idea as well to check the air filter on these machines, bobcats and posi tracks in particular, because they're going to get a lot of dust. Best way to blow these out is with the compressor on the inside, not with too much force. They are made of paper. Alrighty, but you want to clean them out regularly. The last thing we're going to do after we close it up is turn on our battery isolator, our starter motor isolator, and making sure our e-stop works. And after all of that, we're right to jump in and start working.